Did you know that most people over 40 are making the same mistakes when it comes to protein? And it could be sabotaging your health. Stick around, because today we're breaking down the protein pitfalls you need to avoid as you age. If you're like most of us, you're probably hearing all the buzz about how important protein is for aging gracefully. And it's true, protein is key. But there's a catch. So many of us are falling into sneaky traps that actually make it harder to stay strong, fit, and energized as we get older. In this video, I'm going to reveal the top protein mistakes people over 40 are making, and most importantly, how you can avoid them. Plus, stick around for a quick tip that could instantly help you boost your protein absorption. Ready? Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with something super common. Over-relying on protein shakes. We've all done it. They're quick, convenient, and packed with protein, right? But here's the deal. Protein shakes can't give you everything your body needs as you age. Did you know that many protein shakes lack the essential nutrients found in whole foods, like fiber and essential vitamins? And it's not just about what they're missing. Relying solely on shakes can lead to nutrient deficiencies. And let's not forget, overloading on synthetic ingredients isn't doing your digestive system any favors either. Instead of relying on shakes as your primary protein source, think of them as a supplement, something to have occasionally when you're in a pinch. Try to get most of your protein from real, whole foods. Think lean meats, legumes, and dairy. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you're enjoying this video. Here's a quick question for you. Are you packing most of your protein into dinner? If so, that's mistake number 2. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing large amounts of protein all at once. So, dumping 50 grams of protein into one meal isn't as beneficial as you might think. Think of it like this. Your body is like a car, and protein is the fuel. You wouldn't try to fill up your gas tank all at once and expect it to run smoothly, right? You need to distribute the fuel evenly throughout the day. The same goes for protein. You'll get way better results by spreading out your intake across your meals and snacks. Aim for 20 to 30 grams per meal. This helps with muscle repair, metabolism, and keeps you feeling fuller longer. Simple changes like adding a boiled egg to breakfast or throwing some chickpeas into your salad can make a big difference. Mistake number 3. Ignoring protein quality. It's not just about quantity, folks. It's also about quality. One of the biggest mistakes people make is consuming low-quality proteins, especially from processed sources like deli meats or certain frozen dinners. Here's a fact. As you age, high-quality, complete proteins are essential. These proteins contain all 9 essential amino acids your body needs, but can't produce on its own. They help with everything from building and repairing tissues to producing enzymes and hormones. So, where can you find these high-quality proteins? They come from sources like eggs, fish, chicken, and plant-based options like quinoa or tofu. So next time you're grocery shopping, focus on high-quality sources. Your body will thank you later. Mistake number 4. Skimping on protein after workouts. Here's a big one, especially if you're over 40 and hitting the gym. If you're working out but not refueling properly with protein after, you're missing out on some serious gains. After the age of 40, your muscles don't recover as fast, and they need that post-workout protein boost to repair and grow. Think of it like providing your muscles with the building blocks they need to rebuild and get stronger. Research shows that consuming protein within 30 minutes of exercise can significantly improve muscle recovery and strength gains. Whether it's a simple Greek yogurt, a handful of almonds, or a lean turkey sandwich, don't skip that post-workout protein. And finally, one of the biggest mistakes, not adjusting your protein intake as you age. The truth is, your protein needs actually increase over time. Why? Because as we age, we naturally lose muscle mass. This process, called sarcopenia, starts earlier than you think and really kicks in after 40. The muscle loss that comes with aging means you need more protein to maintain muscle mass, support a healthy metabolism, and keep your energy levels up. If you're over 40, experts suggest aiming for around 1 to 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. So if you weigh 150 pounds, that's roughly 68 to 82 grams of protein daily. Adjust your diet accordingly, and your body will thank you in the long run. And there you have it. Now you know the most common protein pitfalls people make as they age and how to avoid them. Remember, protein is crucial for maintaining your health, energy, and vitality as you get older. By making simple adjustments to your diet and lifestyle, you can make sure you're getting the right amount of protein your body needs to thrive. Which one of these surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future health tips and tricks to keep you feeling your best. And remember, small changes today lead to big results tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.